Monday. I just woke up. Um, yeah, it's Monday. I have a trip today. Work. 2 days trip. Montreal, Vegas, and stay there. And then Vegas, Montreal. I'm doing two of those back to back. So when I come back the next day, I do the same thing. Um, I need to be to the airport around 4, the latest 4:15. So leaving here around 3, and I have a lot to do. Because this weekend, if you saw my video on Saturday, my energy was really low. I didn't clean, I didn't cook, meal prep, because usually I do my lunches on Saturday or Sunday. Um, yeah, so I did none of that. So I have so many things to do before I leave. I have to clean, I have to cook, I have to get ready. I don't know. I'm not sure if I'm gonna be able to go to the gym. I do not think so. Um, I would love to do a few exercise here though. If not, you know what? It's okay. It doesn't matter. I'll go tomorrow when I get here. Oh, yeah, that's it. So, let me get up and do what I have to do. I hope you guys are having a wonderful morning, and I wish you a wonderful week. Yeah, see ya. Well, let's start by drinking some coffee, eat something, and then attack. Okay, so it's already 11:30, and I cleaned the living room. I made my bed. I put my clothes in washing machine. I will tack the dishes at the same time. That's the key for me anyways, to see if there is two things that I can do at the same time. So right now, because I decided to make a quinoa salad, it's easy, it's quick, you know, but I need to make the quinoa so you can see it to have time to cool down. So I will put the quinoa, and while it's cooking and cooling down, I will do the dishes. So you know, I do two things at the same time to save time. It's already 11:30. I think I said it already. Okay, let's do it. Well, it's 12:30. Dishes done. Quinoa done. I was just thinking about time and things that I have to do, and I was getting overwhelmed because I didn't clean the bathroom, I didn't vacuum, I didn't mop. But you know what? I was just telling myself, you know, in this kind of situation, you have to narrow down and do what is important in the moment. So my goal for now is just to finish the quinoa, make my lunch and slash dinner, I guess. Make my snacks and get ready because I have no time. It's already 12:30. So let's see if the quinoa is well cooked because I didn't check it. Perfect. Perfect. Oh, I think I put a lot of water, but it's gonna do. It's gonna do. Usually it has to be fluffy, but yeah. So, and here is the things that I need for the salad: the cilantro, peppers, onions, and cucumbers. That's it. Okay, I'm done chopping everything I need: cilantro, onions, cucumbers, peppers. I add some dried cranberries, and for the dressing, salt, olive oil, and lemon. Now I'm gonna just put it in the fridge. The quinoa, it's already in the fridge to cool down, but I'm so disappointed because I put too much water, so it's not fluffy. It's just you know why, it will do, but I'm not happy with that. And then it's already 1:15. I really want to vacuum, so I will vacuum and then get my shower. Yeah. Time to take a snack before I take my shower from the salad I made with coconut water and sparkling water. I'm ready to go. Here's my suitcase, my lunch bags, my tea. I'm a little bit behind. It's already 3:28. I was supposed to leave the latest at 3:15. It's okay, I'm not late, but I have to go.